Good day guys, this is Admin Robin of EA Xauru. So today I will teach you how to install EA to your MT4 account. So if you're new to the EA group, so welcome to EA Xauru. And if you're not able to set up your EA yet to your MT4, then this video tutorial is for you. So first you need to have a VPS before we are going to install your EA Xauru. First go to your VPS account. So in this case, this is the VPS that I am going to use for this tutorial. So you need to once it's your first time entering your VPS, you are going to observe that the desktop is empty, or the screen is empty. So you need to install your MT4 platform. So in this case, already have the MT4. So first you are going to open your MT4 account, then log into your account. So the login details would be like this one. So you input your login MT4 ID, then your password, then your server, then you click login. So automatically once you are logged in, you can see here your balance, your credit, and at this side it states connection status is okay. So next is to download all the AA that is provided by the admin who is assisting to you. So in this case, our latest version for EA Xauru is V5C. So we're going to make use of this one. Just copy, then go to MT4, click open data folder, go to MQL4, experts, then paste. So once you have pasted it, close, then go to expert advisor, then refresh. So have here EA Xauru PH V5C micro. Next, you're going to add charts for micro, no? So by default, XA micro is not charts for the XA micro is not supported or not shown. So you just go to Market Watch, click show all, and all the charts will be available to you. Next, you can close this one, go to create a new chart, go to Forex 2 micro, open our 3 pairs. So take note, if your balance is more than $600, I would recommend to use 3 pairs now for trading. So for the three pairs that we are going to use are Euro USD. We also have GPU, GBP USD, and the third is USD CAD. Where's that one? Make sure that if you are using a micro account, the chart states here USD CAD micro. It should have a micro in the name of the chart, or else your AA would not work. So let's arrange this one. Then now we can add our AA to our charts. But before that, go to tools, then go to options, expert advisor, then make sure this is click, allow ultimate trading, then you add here the URL. Now this is the URL for Xauru's license. So just enter again the Xauru license URL, then click OK. So to add AA Xauru, you just click the chart, then double click EA Xauru AA, then you click allow live trading. And for the inputs, you just use the default if you are using 3 pairs. So if you are using 2 pairs, you can adjust the allocated buffer Now for more details about this software, please check our manual and just click OK. So once your account is activated, so it's here, account verified. So before I install the same AA to other charts, what I do is I change or I customize the color and the visualization of these charts. So how to do that? Just click properties and just change the color for a downtrend. For the bull is green or lime, and for the bear is red, and for common is candlestick. Show ask line, show grid is unchecked, then grid separators is checked. So click OK, then this will be the result. So I change to M15, I change here, yeah, increase. So this would be uh, the new look of my chart. So we apply or install the same AA to other chart. So what I do for easy installing is I just click or I make a template. So save template. So I use here Xauru USD pairs. So you can use any name now for your template. So just save. Yes, then go to the other chart, right click template, then Xauru USD pairs. Then I change to 15. Sorry, 15. So same goes with USD CAD. Click template, then Xauru. Then I change to 15. Then you can close this navigator. Then arrange the charts. So that's it. So how to check if the IA is properly installed? You can see here that the smiley is smiling. Okay, so it means that your AA is properly installed. So our default trading time is 2 to 9 Forex time, or in pay each time that is 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. So that's all for today, and thank you for watching.